Hey guys, Rhett here at a client's property. Casey, this is his first Section 8 rental, guys. It's a 4-bedroom. He purchased it for $70,000. Rehab here was $24,000. Needed a lot of structural work, needed a brand new roof, all the Section 8 items. We just got in here this week. We're making a lot of headway. Casey's never seen this house, guys. And that is so crazy important because it touches on the fact that he's using me and my team to completely onboard this whole house. Now, when we talk about teams, we talk about it all the time. But the biggest thing about a team is finding the right people that are trustworthy, that do good work, and that you can rely on. When my clients are in my coaching program, they use my teams. And I have found these teams because I've hired so many bad people. I've hired the management companies that have screwed me over time and time again. I've hired management companies that I'm still in litigation with. Same thing with contractors. People that you pay money to and you trust and they're out of state and you send them money, you never hear from them again. And they change their number and change their email. That is what I try to have you guys avoid. And that is what my coaching clients avoid completely. There's no chance to ever hire people like that when you hire people on my team. And guys, my team, I've found my people, my management companies, my real estate agents, my contractors, my insurance providers, my attorneys, my title companies. Everybody that I use, it's because I've used bad ones. Over years and years of doing this, they've either shown that the team I have now shows that they're the best at what they do, they're the specialists in Section 8, they're the most trustworthy, and at the end of the day, they're reliable. They say what they say they're going to do, they do. And in this business, that is so hard to find, okay? If you guys want to use my team and use me to onboard properties like this, just like Casey, and never even see it, and get a 4-bedroom property that's going to cash flow to the moon, send me an email in the description below, okay? Let's walk through this thing. I want to talk to you guys a little bit about what kind of issues we ran into here. The biggest problem here was the roof was bad. And I tell my clients all the time, when we get to a house that needs a roof, I say, this is why it's so important. The roof can lead to so many other issues. And this is another example of that. What was happening here, guys, was the water was pouring on the roof, and there's noise behind me. It's because we have guys working here. But water was on the roof. It was pouring through, coming through the kitchen ceiling, and going into the floor in the kitchen. Now the floor is tile. Everyone says, oh, well, tile, don't worry about it. That's waterproof. It's not. What was happening was the water was going through the tile into the subfloor. But what happened was, underneath the tile, it wasn't subfloor. It was hardwood. So when the hardwood started to get wet, it started to bow. And when it started to bow, it would bow upwards, and the tile started bowing upwards. Well, what we ended up finding was we cut the tile out, we cut the hardwood out, and there were layers and layers and layers of different kind of flooring under that tile. So instead of just taking up the tile the first time when the people put the tile in, instead of taking everything out, getting to the subfloor like you're supposed to, they just said, forget it. We're just gonna put the tile over everything else. So you have this compacted mess of 5 different kinds of flooring, and then something like this happens. So we're in the process right now, cutting out the tile, making our adjustments, getting everything down to the subfloor. We have to rebuild. Now we're going to build the subfloor back up, put tile back on top to make it all look good and to fix it all, okay? We're going to start in there. I'm going to show you that briefly. They're working. I don't want to be in their way too long, but let's check it out. So guys, here's the original subfloor, okay? Still a little bit damp. This is the hardwood underneath it, okay? This is the hardwood right here. You can see it from this angle right here. All of this in here, these are all the floors underneath, okay? Instead of just removing them, you can actually see how they've just been put right over. Look at that. That's a floor right there. That's a floor underneath it right there, okay? That's not how we want to do things. So what we did was we cut through the tile, we cut all the way down through it, We cut through this hardwood layer right here, okay? And we got down to the subfloor. Now we're letting the subfloor dry. We're in the process as well of ripping the entire bathroom out, redoing the entire bathroom too. This is part of our rehab. So the whole bathroom's coming out. We're putting a brand new shower in. Everything new in the bathroom too. But guys, you see what happens when you don't do things right. It costs you money in the long run. Because the floor wasn't done right years ago, now it's costing money. And when you're a landlord, and when you have Section 8 tenants, they're gonna be in these units for a very long time. So you have to understand, if you do something not right at the very beginning, you might be paying for it 10 years or 15 years down the line, okay? Do things right up front, take care of your property, take care of your money. It's your money, it's your investment, okay? So guys, walking through here, you saw the kitchen, you saw the bathroom, all the electrical has already been done in this house. That was the first thing that we did. We have a hallway in here. We have a really, really nice bathroom, new vanity, new toilet in here too. So guys, it's a 4-bedroom, 2 full bathroom. Really, really nice. Bedroom 1 in here needs new closet doors, but it's nice. We have electrical in the closets, which is good. And good size rooms. So bedroom number 1 right here. Bedroom number 2 down the hall. We just got into this house this week, so there's a lot of stuff going on. Our HVAC guy was here. He just left. We're running some duct work through that closet as well. Bedroom number 2. Guys, this is gonna be bedroom number 3, okay? Now, we have to build a closet in here. What we're also going to do is we're going to put a door in that doorway that you just walked through. This is another entrance to the kitchen. We're going to wall this off, so it's going to be private, okay? So this is going to be bedroom number 3. Come and check out bedroom number 4. Really cool, guys. Don't get to see this very often, but this is bedroom number 4. Top of the house. Good thing about this is it still has central AC, it still has central heating, which is great because we have ductwork up here, we have our vents. It's gonna need light fixtures, of course, put those in after. It's gonna need some window work too, but really nice. Have a big old closet in here, a big old walk-in closet that will tighten up as well once we get to it. But really nice. I'm really, really happy with this house. Casey got a complete steal, a 4-bedroom that's going to bring in about $1,300 a month, Section 8, and he's into it for under $95,000. Hard to find those anywhere in the country. I don't care where you look. But keep in mind, guys, it's all about having the right team to do it. And Casey, he took the leap of faith. He did what he wanted to do. He wanted to be an out-of-state Section 8 real estate investor, and he's doing it. And you guys can do it too. The first step is get into the description, send me an email, we'll get you started, get you on the right path with the right foot forward. We'll see you next time.